Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some stuff that the Text Plus node does that you may not be aware of. We'll go to shading, select number 2. We all know about the stroke. We've all used that. I'm not going to go over that. But select this border fill. Go down to level, change it from character to text. Then you have a background that actually grows with the text. I had made one of these a while back. We're going to make a little preset and put it up in the power bin for reusing. I'll show you that real quick. I'm going to show you some other options here first. Select the border outline. That also grows with the text. And you can change it to dots. Got a few options there. We'll go back to the fill. And if you want to put a border on it, I have a outliner that I will put in the description below that you can get and use that for this. When you download it, go to Effects, SDS Outline. Drop it on, and you'll see now we have a border. Change the color. We have a drop shadow. We'll go to Layout. We'll animate this. Put the playhead at the beginning. Set a keyframe. Advance 1 second. Set this back to 0.5. And go to the end. We'll go back 1 second. Set a keyframe. Bring it to the end. Then you have something like that. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. And you can add a blur to this as well. Go to Settings, Motion Blur. You can have a angle, got a shutter angle. For whatever direction you want to go. I'm going to save this in a power bin. Just make a power bin up, give it a name, titles, or whatever you want. Bring it over and drop it in. Then you can name it. And whenever you want to use it, just bring it down. And it'll be just as you left it. And nothing's changed in the Text Plus. It's as it was. These are some I made just goofing around. If you use the outline, you don't want to use the highlighter. And again, it grows with the text. You can add a shader to the text or make it gradient on the text or the background. Select clip and go to browse. Bring in whatever shader you want. You can also save it with media. We'll put a picture under it. Highlight both of them. Go to your power bin and drop it in. You want to reuse it, it'll bring both of them down. And that's what we have right here. Well, it's a little tip. Like I say, the outliner will be in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.